I would wait until we see how much we have. There's a lot of thick boards in there. A lot.
So how am I going to wait? What's
I
waiting
gotta
going to
bring it
do?
out.
You're going to guess? Oh, you got enough. You got some mystical, oh, I got enough.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to see. Because if you have more thick boards like this than you do thin, then you're going to be screwed.
I'll do one wall in this. And then I'll switch to another wall. That's the only way to do it. Keep it all the same. And this one,
I don't even know if you have enough thin boards. What I'm trying to say. Let me bring some out.
I got enough for a whole wall. I know that much.
No, I don't think so. So far, everything I'm pulling out is thick.
That bottom one isn't thick.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it is.
That one right there is not thick. That one's the same size as the one I'm working on. These are thicker, these are thicker. I can put these on a different wall.
All right, well, I wanted to separate them out and see what we got before we start that.
Well, you're putting all of these together, so this one should be over here.
Okay, what are these?
This is thicker. These two thicker ones can go over there. I'm ready to cut this and line it up.
I know you are. Can you just give me a chance and wait? Because if you only have one board like that, right now, they're all thick like this.
That's not true. I got one right here that's the right line.
That's 2 boards so far.
Virginia, I sanded these. I know what I got.
I just appreciate it with this board.
So we set the table saw up here. This is my contractor's table saw. He left it for me to use, which was nice. He also left his chop saw, which we've been using. And we did all the cutting out here and used a lot of this wood. But we still have all of this wood along here, which is way more rustic. That will go in the peaks. If you've been watching me, you'll know. If you haven't, please subscribe. We'd love to have you join us in this build. We call it our river cabin. Hope you're enjoying it. Okay, This is reclaimed barn wood that was painted red that I sanded. You should have seen that in a previous video. And I just put it up today. It's an inch thick. And this is a shower, which we did before. So tomorrow I will put up more tiles for backsplash, same as those. And they'll go here, 1, 2, 3. And mud those in. Try and get them as flush to this wood as possible. They're pretty close. Some of them are further in than others. These aren't all the same thickness, but pretty close. And I mean, you can see that it's a little irregular. I don't have a problem with that. I like the way it looks. And I'll do molding and put the lights in and all that stuff later.